How to hide photos in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can hide photos in your iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step that you'll need to do is open up your Photos app. So locate your Photos app and then open it up. After you open up your Photos app, you can then find the photos that you want. All you have to do is select the photo that you want to simply hide. So you can open one up and then tap on the three dots on the top right. After you do that, there you will find a hide button as well. So tap on hide and confirm it. Then your photo will get hidden. Now you can also hide multiple photos at once. Simply select multiple pictures from here, then tap on the three dots on the bottom right. Then tap on hide. Then confirm it and your photos will be hidden. After doing that, if you want to find your photos, simply scroll down. There you'll find the hidden option under utilities. Tap on hidden and go through with your verification. So you can use your Face ID or your iPhone's password. Simply tap on view album. After you do that, you can then see the photos that you have hidden and you can simply unhide them as well. And that's basically how you hide photos in your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Again, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button down below, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.